What is up, guys? Welcome back to TK's Garage. And do the 2023 Challengers in general have build quality issues? Because I saw a comment, which we'll post right here, that there may be some significant build quality issues. Let's discuss. Guys, before we get into today's video, you know what time it is. We got to talk about the sponsors here, and that's Morgan & Morgan Attorneys at Law. If you're looking for a personal injury attorney, you'll find none larger than Morgan & Morgan, handling over 20 million phone calls in 2023 alone. If you want to get started, it's very simple. Any one of these smartphones by going to forthepeople.com/TK's Garage will get you started in 8 clicks or less. forthepeople.com/TK's Garage. And I appreciate them for allowing me to do what I do. So as you saw in the comment that we opened with, this customer had 2 windshields cracked. Well, this is not the first time I've heard of that. I had somebody else that went through 2 windshields down in Arizona in the Phoenix area. And I was like, this is, before it was getting into cold season, so to speak, because sometimes depending on how summer works here, it could be hot well into October. And that's around the time they got the car, and they went through 2 windshields where it cracked from the pillar up in the corner, like what this customer is saying, cracked up in the corner in the pillar, and it was determined by the dealership to be a manufacturing issue. They had it replaced, but it's like, you bought a brand new car, now that factory seal around that window is now gone, right? And I don't care what they say about, we put a brand new seal. They literally have, it's like a safe light joint. They squirt that shit around the window frame with the gasket in there and push it in there, and it ain't never the same, man. Once you have that windshield replaced, once that seal is broken, I don't care what you say, it ain't never the same. And I found this interesting, and this just goes right along with other issues that we saw with 2023 Challengers. The customer who still hasn't had their car bought back, with the entire rear end of the car missing joints, glue for the joints all around the body and foam. The rusting issue that we're seeing on Demon 170s, and not just them now. I've had people send me photos from Hellcats and Red Eyes. Narrow body, brand new, last call, jailbreak Hellcats and Red Eyes. Same thing. Rusted undercarriages. I don't get it. Did it get to I guess when it came to last call, was it like last call, F it, we don't care? Is that what we're going to call it now? Are the 2023 model year Chargers and Challengers going to be the most plagued, unreliable pieces of crap on the road? I don't know. And it concerns me because I have friends and family that literally have just went and bought. Like I just had some family in Houston go pick up a 2023 Swinger Charger yesterday. So, I mean, I just hate to see it, man. I hate to see these stories. I'm glad that you guys, keep us as a community filled in, and you guys comment this stuff. And, core sides with other customers. It just sucks. Do you guys think like I do? And I hate to even think like this now, but I feel like the 2023 Challengers and Chargers are going to have some of the most plagued issues of that L-Car platform in history. I mean, they're going to be rusting, windshields cracking for no reason, bodies squeaking because they forgot to put glue and bond in the ass end of some of these cars. I'm waiting. Now it's become such a prevalent thing now. I'm literally just waiting for the first major law firm to open a class action suit. We already know that there's a couple open when it comes to the Demon 170. law firms over the 149 mile an hour issue, and then other law firms looking at suing dealers directly for the massive markups on the cars. How long until we start seeing the Cronin Mosses of the world jumping in and suing the crap out of Stellantis for these cars? I don't think it's going to take long. The more that we see this, and the more that these cars are driven and people are seeing these issues, it just doesn't look good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.